Anyone can start a business from nothing, especially if you know the key to this. So today I will continue what I showed you previously in the old video, in which I talked about the business that you can start with $0, which is creating a service agency on Instagram. So I will show you how to do this step by step in this video. So let's get started. First, create an Instagram account. Create an account on the Instagram platform and turn it into a business account. Choose a name that is clear, not complicated, and relevant to what you want to do in your page. You can also add the niche as a keyword. Secondly, you must choose a suitable niche. I know that you have heard from most sources that you must choose the niche according to passion, but this represents only 25 of the equation only. Rather, it consists of 3 other basic points that you must take into consideration, which are, first, you have to choose something that everyone wants and everyone needs, something that you have experience in, something that you can make money from, and something that you have a passion for. And when you choose this will be the reason for your existence. And this is what is called ikigai in Japanese. Well, I have a list of these niches. All you have to do is message me on my page on Instagram and I will send it to you for free. All you have to do is check the description box and you will find the link that will take you directly to the account. So let's move to the direct step now. You must choose something that will make the audience distinguish you from the people and your competitors from you. And you must be creative in this. Choose the colors that you want, as I did, or you can choose from the color wheel in which every color has a meaning that it carries. For example, orange indicates fun, purple indicates luxury. Now you need to let people know you, and the best way to do it at this time and with no money is by creating content. This is the best way to reach your target audience. So how you do it the right way? Now you will start creating content, but before we do, you need to understand how the algorithm actually works. You just gotta post something sometime somewhere. Yes, actually you need to go to post. But before you go to upload a bunch of random stuff and pray that it gets views, it would be nice to know how the algorithm actually works. If you think about Instagram as a game, so our goal is to get many views as possible, and the algorithm was the rule to make this happen. Once you know the rule of the game, that's mean you know the game, so you know how to beat that game. When you first publish your content, the algorithm will shows it to group of your followers here, where it gathers the first bits of information about your post. It does this by measuring the amount of the engagement that gets from this first group of people who see it. Now when I say engagement, the first thing that probably comes to mind for you is likes. But what if I told you that's not what the algorithm cares about? Instead it tracks watch time, the view to save, the view to share, and the view to comment ratio. So based on the stats that the algorithm gathers from that first group of people who see your post on Instagram, will then push your post onto another group of people. This can go to 2 ways. If your post performed well with the first group of people, then this next group it gets shown to will be bigger and will even include some non-followers. But if the post didn't perform well, then it's going to shown to a smaller group of people and eventually die out. So obviously, you see the route that we were trying to take here. But how do we get there? A well-performing post will continue to have high watch time and lots of saves and shares, especially with non-followers. When this happens, your post is going to be pushed by the algorithm and can eventually end up on the Explore page. And good news, once your post reaches the Explore page, this is where the floodgates can open up. Why, you ask? Well, Instagram has one goal, is keeping people on their platform. The more time people spend on Instagram, the more ads they can run and the more that they can profit off of your attention span. People spend so much time creating content that isn't optimized for the algorithm, which leads to them getting no views and then wondering why they don't get the views that they want. The good news is, if you follow the rest of the steps and then I lay out in this video, I promise this will never happen. If you want to create content that'll be pushed by the algorithm, start using my viral checklist. This is literally what I use to grow. Start by asking these 7 questions. Will someone stop scrolling and actually look at this post? Will someone stay a long time to see this? Will someone wants to save this for later? Will someone share this with a friend? Will someone comment something interesting about this? Will they feel satisfied that they consume this? Will they want to follow my account for more like this in the future? If you can honestly answer yes to all these questions, so you have a viral post. Chapter 3. Now after you build your audience and community, you need to make them your customers, and you have 4 main options. 1. Affiliate deals. It is where you, as a content creator, sell someone else's product or service and in return you get a percentage of the sale. 2. Brand sales. It is the desire of other companies to make payment transactions on your account. 3. Physical product. For digital products or services. The difference between digital products and physical products in that physical product need to made it anytime you want to sell, while the digital products just you need to create one. and sell it to an infinite number of people. So we are in the end of the video. I hope enjoy it. If you have any questions, I am here for you. Message me in my Instagram account and I will help you how to grow your business.